In this video, I will teach you guys how to use Pump.Fun to find good meme coins and how to avoid getting scammed. There are thousands of coins that is being created on Pump.Fun every single day. As you can see, you can even create new coins. You can see that this place can create a new coin on this particular place. So, thousands of coins are being created every single day on Pump.Fun. And out of these coins, just few percent, let's say 10% of these coins that gets to do really very well. So in this video, I'll be really secret strategies that you can use to look for these small 10% of coins that has the potential of printing you money. What I want you to do is simply watch this video from the very beginning to the very end. And please do it to like, and I very appreciate it. I appreciate it if you like this video. So on Pop from what we're doing is very simple. As you can see on the home screen, there are thousands of coins on the home screen, and possibly we can actually from here search the coins, maybe look into them and look and get one of these coins. But what we're doing is simply copy this place that said advanced. So if you click on advanced, it's going to take you to a brand new page. On this page, you're going to see newly created coins. Coins that we created immediately, like 1 second ago. Coins that are about to graduate and coins that are graduated. About to graduate are coins that are about to get 100k, about to get 100k market cap. If you can get 100k market cap, you become graduated and become listed on dexscreener. You get. So and these are the newly created coins. They were created 1 second ago. You can see this one created 30 seconds ago, 46 1 minute ago. Coins are being created every single day on Public Fund and are being listed in this particular place. These are the ones that are about to reach 100k market cap, and you can, if you like, and set to trade on this. And these are the ones that are in graduated. You know that a coin has got it to 100k market cap. The coin has graduated. It does not mean that you can still get well, you can still get scam. You get just be vigilant. These particular ones is the most dangerous because you never know if there are people that create coins daily for the sole aim of scamming. When they create the coin, if you go buy into the particular coin, what do you simply say? You can see right here, this is number of people holding this particular token, which is like 5 persons. You get this, you can see this number of snipers holding the coin. Then this is going to show you what the percentage that the tail is holding, and this is going to show you the top 10 orders percentage. Here you're going to see the price of the coin, the market cap is about 4.6k, transaction for volume $8. For this to just 1 minute ago, here you can see number of orders holding equal just one, the number of snipers, the percentage that there is holding, the top 10 orders, market cap for 49, volume $39. From this battle card, they see the same. You can see this particular one. Number of people holding the coins is about 136. No sniper, and sniper holding 0. Then this top 10 orders are only about 10% of the coin. The all-time high is 47. Transaction about 9,037. Market cap is 47.3k. And for these ones too that have graduated, you can see this top one, hot dog, created about 2 hours ago. Number of orders is 50, which is quite somehow. 12%. Snipers here is 12%. Percentage that there is OD about 12%. Then order is about only about 48%. Market cap is about 11k. Transaction is 496. You can see this coin great 100k market cap that it has been graduated. People say, oh, market cap has is being reduced. So you can save tons of coins in this particular place. Also on this, you can it's hard to trade from year or year. If you can try to apply filters too, click on filters, begin to or the you can set to add the age that you want to put, minimum, maximum, the place the devs OD, snipers ODs and other stuff. Set to put certain keywords that you want. Then set to put matrix, get if the volume, the market cap by transaction. Let's add these on the pool coins that they already have Twitter, website, and Telegram. This should be very great. It's good. You should put tick on this. At least you coin should have a Twitter, on the website at least. You can tap on apply, or with this, going to filter the coins out for you. I see most of these coins. This particular one about to graduate. It has it have Twitter, Telegram website. So you can click on the coin to view the coin. And if you do that, it's going to load it up in a new page. And through here, you can do your own research if you want to do your research. It is pretty much easy. So you can to buy this particular place. From this chart, I can tell you that this chart is not looking clean. And this will be wrong. Yet, as you can see, if you want to buy a coin, you don't know that in trading, once there is a pump to the upside, there should be a pullback from that pump, a pullback from that pump, a pullback from that pump. We can see that it's a just straight line. So if you probably avoid this particular coin, there's just one place to the depth that is buy and selling. This is bubble map. Well, let me start from this place. Okay. And here you can see the orders. Liquidity pushed by 66. There are people holding the coin, and the amount they are holding, you get in Solana, you can see it right in this particular place. Here, if you can see the number of trades. So as you can see, what you are seeing right here is buy, 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 buy. If you check, it is one or some group of people that are consistently buying this particular coin. You get one group of people that are constantly buying this particular coin. You can see buy, buy, no sell. So what they are doing is pumping this coin to attract people to it. You get, so you keep on buying, buying, buying. If you mistakenly you went to buy the coin, they will just dump on you. You get, so you can see just buy, 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 no sell. So this is not looking really good. Understand? If you check the top trade, you probably won't see any top trades, and they are still the same wallet. There are tools that you can use to actually check these things. You get, let's check the trade. Really good to see people commenting, people talking about this particular coin. You get, but I won't recommend you buy this coin though, because right now from what I'm seeing, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Just pump, no dump, nothing, nothing. It's not looking good. I'm trying to put it in 1 minute. You get, it's looking 1 minute. I know their target is going to 800K. You get, for the 800K, if anybody buy into this coin, more people buy the other coin, they guys have to sell on the top on you get. So on this video, you can easily buy and sell using this. Now it's connect your Solana wallet. You can easily buy and sell, put the amount. Yet. So let's quickly go back and let's try to see if we can get any coin on this graduated on this graduated session. So we need to apply some filters. When they click on filters, right? Then main trees. When they use main trees, let me use I want the must have website and this, and click on apply to all and wait for Pump.Fun to do its own job and give me coins. Clear. I can see this really coin the Albo website and and Twitter and Telegram. Holdings about 150, so you can simply view the coin. The transaction is looking good. Market cap is 3.9. So also it's really do is simply check to see if the coin is looking good. We can simply buy it. So the coin is actually coming down, like going down after into the bond curve. And not bad. Let me put this in my 15 minutes to see the old chart. You can go to 100K and see it is done. You get, so you can probably copy the contract address and check it on dexscreener. You get, so let's go back and copy the contract address of this particular coin. Let's check it on dexscreener. So I've copied the contract address, head over to dexscreener. Then on the search bar, click on it and paste the address. As you can see, this is a coin. I'll just simply open up the coin. You can probably check it out, check that Twitter pictures see. So if you're interested in this last coin you get. If you are not interested in it, we can simply go away. So the coins are looking really good at the moment. Get no volumes, no touches. So this is really a very good coin for us to buy into it. Get a ball, guys. This is what I can do. The best way I believe you should do this is very simple. On this filter, you get on this filter, we're going to click on this filter. On this, click on this switch. We're going to put on We're going to have at least one search you get. So we're going to add this. If it has just Twitter or just website or just Telegram, it's going to show us the coin. Then we're going to click on matrix. I think I added some matrix to this particular coin, which is what I wanted, the one that I recently created, newly created. Can choose this, can put you want one with most volume, most orders. And yes, I believe the one with most volume is more preferable. Square house bonus that people are interested in it. Then after you have put all of this, then rest of this and this, tap on apply all. So okay, you can see it usually give us some coins. So we probably check some of these popular coins and see if there's any I'll probably buy. So let's open this first one. In no, this got a no. You can also copy the contract address and check it on this. So this is actually looking good. You can see these are a chart to look like not the one we saw the other time that was just going up straight. You can see if you see up movement, pull back, up movement, pull back. So Dev has sold already and market cap is 630 market cap. So what you should do, you can start to trade it on this particular place if you want, but you can also start to go back, copy the contract address and check the coin ads on using this thing on this screener. So you can also start to come back to this screener and go to the home section and search for this particular coin. So if you understand this screener interface, because I told you this screener to do this. Understand? So let me paste this. So guys, this is a coin. All you need to do is simply open up the coin in your tab and check. And guys, if you'll be finding this video helpful, please do to give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it if you like. Try to have just 10 views and 10 likes, not to have 100 views and 0 likes. Please like and you can do it to subscribe to on the bell icon. So guys, you can see this video coming up in this video in the next 5 minutes. And you can simply enter into this particular coin if you want. Try to buy this particular place. Probably if you get to 20 market cap, you can simply set the coin off and see people are actually trading this coin. So guys, believe we have learned something on this. As I believe we have been able to use Pump.Fun to find a good meme coin. If this video was helpful, please do to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon. Go to my Telegram or WhatsApp community to get more updates and always get notification anytime I make videos. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.